Good morning, traders. Nick Master from Trader Market Tea Leaves here to bring you our daily market bias video for Thursday, January 7th. It's approximately 20 minutes after 7 a.m. on the East Coast. First and foremost, my apologies for the late arrival of this. Unfortunately, we had some technical issues that we had to deal with earlier today, and it kind of slowed things up, if you will, but we're very glad to be back online now. If we were to take a look at the overseas markets in Asia, Asia is trading mixed, if you will, with about half the exchanges higher, the other half trading lower. Currently, right now in Europe, we're seeing pretty much the exact same phenomena, whereby we're dealing with the mixed markets on both continents, if you will. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, U.S. dollars trading higher. The bonds, however, are trading lower. They're starting to dive into negative territory. Higher open. The S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all pointing higher, if you will. Gold is trading higher, as is crude oil. If we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, within the next 15 minutes or so, we'll have challenger job cuts, which is considered to be major, if you will. At 8:30 a.m. we have unemployment claims, we have trade balance. At 10 a.m. we have ISM services, PMI. And then 10:30 we have natural gas storage. And to top it all off at 1 o'clock this afternoon, we have an FOMC member speaking. All this being said, our bias is neutral. And the reason why I'm suggesting a neutral bias is we're really not seeing very much in the way of correlation here. What we're seeing is a phenomenon whereby all boats are rising. So in essence, it seems as though everything is vying to go higher, if you will, but that doesn't necessarily correlate with market correlation. So what we have is we have the indices themselves pointing higher. You have the U.S. dollar pointing higher, which it shouldn't. It should be going lower. And we have bonds trading fractionally lower at this particular point, only down by like one tick. So from that perspective, it is very much a mixed or neutral market, if you will, which means it could go anywhere today. Now the good news is, I guess, on the D.C. front, if you will, or the political front, it does seem as though very recently, very earlier today, I think maybe an hour or so ago, President Trump has decided to not so much concede, but agree to a peaceful transition of power. He's not really giving in. He's not conceding. He's not saying that he lost. In fact, he's still sticking to the idea that the election was stolen from him, etc. But he is starting to recognize that his actions does have consequences. After what happened yesterday in D.C., whereby a woman got actually killed during these protests. So I think he's taking it upon himself to try and calm things down. Hopefully it works. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in the volatile market. Thanks.